एकदम ग्लास स्किन वाइब दे रहा है मुझे. Look at the glow. So you can clearly see how this gave me like a very perfect coverage. So this is how it looks. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा tingling हो रही है और मुझे हर वक्त होता है after applying this. So once you're starting using this face wash, there is no going back. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Smriti. I'm so glad that you are here. If you're new, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel down below and hit the bell icons to never miss a video. So everyone keeps asking me how I take care of my skin every day. So today I'm finally sharing my actual skincare routine with you guys. No filter, just what I really use. This is like my updated skincare routine. So yes, as I have mentioned earlier also, I don't follow that 10 steps 15 step skincare routine. I usually have like 4-5 steps in my skincare and वो भी मैंने अभी recently start किया है, वरना मैं वो भी नहीं करती थी. It's just my cleanser, my moisturizer and my sunscreen, that's it. But now I've started using like a skincare care because when earlier when I used to do like a serum toner, I used to see like my skin is not feeling it good, so I just avoid doing the skincare. But now I have started investing in a good makeup product. So yes, so in this video I'm going to share you the honest skincare routine. So the first thing is I do have a dry skin, so this is all the products that I use are either for all skin types, and the moisturizer that I'm going to show up here is only for the dry skin. So yes, so you can choose it accordingly if you have a dry skin. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. So the first step is obviously your cleanser. So as I have already done with my cleansing, so the cleanser that I use is from Simple, that I've already mentioned in previous videos. So once you're starting using this face wash, there is no going back. So yes, this is the only cleanser bolo ya face wash bolo, I use this only, and I have already done with the cleansing. So sometimes when I don't feel like my skin is not getting better or not feeling great, so I use a clay mask. So the clay mask I'm talking about, it's from Foxtail, and it's their purple clay mask, and this was so viral. So this is how it looks. So basically this contains lactic acid, Brazilian purple clay and also kaolin clay, and so this helps in clearing your pores, removing blackheads and also improve your skin clarity and tone. So let's just apply this because I feel like my skin is not feeling great today. As you can see, I have a little breakouts here and you can clearly see I have a tan. See, you can clearly see the color of my forehead and my face. So we're going to try this today. So yeah. So it comes up with this spatula. Wow. The smells, have a look. So we're going to apply this. ये आपको आफ्टर योर फेस वॉश के बाद अप्लाई करना होता है, एंड देन विल प्रोसीड विद योर सीरम एंड एवरीथिंग. सो लेट्स अप्लाई. It has that cooling sensation. So yeah. So I'll quickly apply this mask off camera. But first, let me just tie my hair. It's so interrupting me in between. This is important. So this is how it looks. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा tingling हो रही है और ये मुझे हर वक्त होता है after applying this. So I have searched कि ये साइड इफेक्ट नहीं कर रहा है, बट नो, ये एक्चुअली सबको ही हो रहा है. सो आफ्टर अप्लाइंग दिस मास्क यू विल फील अ लिटिल कूलिंग सेंसेशन, बट दैट्स वेरी नॉर्मल. सो दिस लुक्स वेरी एस्थेटिक एंड काफ़ी ज़्यादा हो रहा है, but never mind. So we have to keep this mask for about 15 minutes and then you can wipe it off. So I quickly take off this mask and we'll be right back. So this is how my face is looking after washing it off. Obviously I do feel very soft on my skin, so you have to use this mask in a week twice, so then only you will get to see the actual results. So yeah, I really feel very fresh now. You can clearly see. So the third step is a serum. Basically, I'm not into like serums or stuffs like that. I wanted to invest on a good serum, so I recently got this serum. This is from Foxtail, and it's a new launch basically. So it's the Gluta Vitamin C Advanced Brightening Serum. So I was like, let's just give it a try because I was searching a good serum from so freaking long. And I was like, let's just give it a try. So ये दोनों मैंने साथ में मंगवाया था, by the way, the mask and the serum. So after mask you can apply the serum. और अगर आप मास्क skip कर रहे हो, so after your cleanser move with your serum. Yeah, so it comes, get this. This is the packaging. It looks very chic. So it has vitamin C and hydration boosters. So this is perfect for all skin types. I'll take 2 pumps. 1, 2. This much. Yes. Then we're going to apply on our face. So this is how my face is looking. एकदम glass skin vibe दे रहा है मुझे. It looking like a mirror. You can see the glow. So basically after every skincare step, I wait for like couple of minutes and then I proceed with the next step. So because of this, your serum or maybe your toner actually penetrates in your skin very nicely. So you have to wait for a couple of minutes. So after this I proceed with my moisturizer. So अभी तो मेरा moisturizer खत्म हो गया है, so I've already placed a order for it. So I have told you guys what moisturizer I use. I've also used that moisturizer in my previous videos, so you can check there also. The Emmeline moisturizer, so that's the treatment for dry skin. As you all know, I have a dry skin, so it's perfect for that. So yes, I placed the order and it will be arriving very soon. So the next step that I use after moisturizer is my sunscreen. I have 2 sunscreen that I use, as I've already mentioned it before. Is from Wishcare and the another one is from Dot & Key. So both of them are my buddies. So I use them on daily basis. But whenever I am like doing a heavy makeup or like doing a makeup basically, so I don't apply tinted sunscreen, otherwise it will shred the makeup. So like the water consistency sunscreen, so this is very good. I loved it. Today I'm using this sunscreen because today I'm just going with a no makeup look because it's like a skincare video, so I don't want to apply like a makeup. So for a makeup alternative, you can clearly consider this. So yes, let's apply. So okay, so this is in the shade 03 Sand. Oh, मैंने ज़्यादा ही लिया. ये इतना lightweight है. You don't feel like that you have applied anything. I always recommend people to get this sunscreen. This is so good. Look at the glow. So you can clearly see how this gave me like a very perfect coverage. और ये बिल्कुल भी हैवी नहीं है. So you can apply this on a daily basis, like when you're going to college, your classes, your office, or like any small occasion. You can clearly consider this. And I am a big fan of this sunscreen, so I will highly recommend this. Now the last and the final step is my lips. So I have like 3 products for my lips. This is from Zudio. This is their lip oil. This is color changing lip oil, and this is the OG Himalaya lip balm. And then again, this is from Zudio. It's their lip mask or lip gloss. Today I'm going to apply this lip oil. This is the color changing lip oil, by the way, and this is in the shade Orange Blossom. I love this. Okay. It gives such a cute pinky glossy lip, so I really like this. Look at my skin. No nazar, guys, please. So, as we have come towards the end of the video, I hope you guys enjoyed. And also let me know in the comments, have you guys ever used any of this product that I have mentioned in the video? And also you can also share your review. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel down below. And here's my Insta handle, so don't forget to follow me there. So I'll see you guys in the next video.